Moses speaks to the Israelites there on the mount just before he dies at the end of Deuteronomy 30, and he says to them, I remind you of this. I call heaven and earth to witness against you today that I have set before you life and death. He told them everything. He says, this is it. He says, blessings and curse, therefore choose life. We read the Bible and we go to churches and we say, Lord, what must I do? The scripture says there, choose life. It's there. You have to choose. That you and your offspring may live. Okay, that's why. Easy. Choose life. How do we do that? Well, he gives the answer as well. He says, loving the Lord your God, obeying his voice, holding fast to him. For he is your life and length of days, that you may dwell in the land that the Lord swore to your fathers. He said that to Israel, and it's still applicable to us today. Choose life. This is what this evening is about. It's choices that we make in this life. Now, back in Jeremiah 18, verse 5, God says he's a potter and he works with the clay. Now, when we say that God is our potter, we have to acknowledge that God is able to do exactly that, to form us and to make us. How? We acknowledge that God is a creator God. Do you agree with me? He created everything.